Hi, Alison here from Gardening by Design. Just popping into the start of my December gardening video tip to wish you all a Merry Christmas with plenty of rest and relaxation. I hope you all had joy from your garden this year, even if everything didn't go exactly as you planned it. I think I will remember most from this year the spectacular display of blossom on bushes and fruit trees earlier in the year, and the resulting great bumper harvest of fruit for people and berries for the wildlife. I know that gardening may not be uppermost in your mind as we approach the festive season, but there's still plenty of plants out in the garden to brighten our day, like one of my favourites, this Mahonia.
Like many popular garden shrubs, there are several different species of Mahonia, and it's worth checking which one you're looking at because they don't all have the same growth habit or flowering period. Another thing to note is that the common name is Oregon grape, and although Mahonia do have clusters of bluish berries, these are great for birds to eat, but not for people. The species that you will see most commonly in gardens are Mahonia aquifolium, pictured here. This has spring flowers, followed by berries in summer. It grows up to about a metre high. It's a bit of a scrubby shrub, really, and spreads slowly by suckering, can form quite a cluster. Mahonia media is a hybrid, that's what the X in the middle of the name means, and this is a great one for winter flowers. They're very fragrant and in these longer spires of flowers rather than the clusters that you get with aquifolium. These are statuesque plants, single or multi-stem, anything up to 5 metres tall, but they're quite slow growing, can easily be controlled for a smaller garden. And there are several good varieties. Charity and Buckland are very common. The one pictured here is in my garden, and this is a variety called Lionel Fortescue. It's hard to beat Mahonia for midwinter colour. I'm sure you could squeeze one in somewhere.
There's more information about how the box of tricks can help you to plan, plant and look after your plot on my Gardening by Design website, where you can also buy topics and sign up for the newsletter. I hope to see you again soon. Happy gardening!